made it to the castle.
I want sunshine, I want rain, I want love, I want the pain. Shimmy up, gon' say my name, cause it don't feel the same when you're not around. The feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down. Now that I know I can figure this out. A little time's gonna take off, lost and found, that's what we are.
Good morning, everybody. It is currently Tuesday. It's very bright out and very warm, just as it was yesterday. But yeah, I have a full day today because I don't have any online classes, and I'm gonna take advantage of that. It's I think one of my very own full days I have here. Tomorrow I have classes again from 2 to 4. Thursday is a public holiday, so I'm gonna see my parents. And Friday I have another day on my own. And then the weekend my parents and my partner are here. But yeah, so it's one of my days where I have nothing planned. And I think I'm gonna take my bike to a castle today that's close by. And I've never walked there, and I don't know why, because it's not that far. I mean, if I walk, it's 50 minutes one way. But if I take a bike, it's 15, so I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna enjoy the weather. I think from tomorrow on, the weather is gonna turn a little bit. Today it is like 29 degrees. It says chance of rain is like 10%, but I mean, I don't see anything. So we'll see. I'm having a really nice time so far. I'm mostly relaxing and reading, and I started reading You yesterday. One with a Netflix show, and it's written from the viewpoint of that, well, of Joe, of the stalker. And even in the show it's narrated from his point of view, but to read it from his point of view and read every thought he has is really weird and disturbing, but it's still good so far. So I'm gonna read more of that. I might finish the Unhoneymooners, which I'm listening to right now. I have an hour left. I enjoyed that a lot. I think I have to get another audiobook once I'm here, because I had no idea I would finish this so quickly. But if you hike for several hours, of course, you know, I have a long list of audiobooks I wanted to listen to. But now I'm gonna have breakfast, then I'm gonna get ready, and I will see you then.
City lights and plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. We don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind. 'Cause I don't wanna keep on waiting till out of patience fading. I'm recreating all the memories with you.
I made it to the castle. It's beautiful, it's so hot. Whew. Now let's find a nice place to read, maybe. Let's go. So hot. I think I know where I can get an iced coffee, so let's check it out. This is the saddest iced coffee I've ever seen. I think he got mad at me because first he brought me ice. He brought in an iced coffee, but I think in Germany it means something else. Like I got coffee with a scoop of ice cream and cream on top, and I was like, that's not what I wanted. So he came back with this, and he wanted $3. I think he did it just because he was angry at me. Hi there. I'm back from my bike ride. I'm freshly showered, my outdoor shower. Now I'm gonna have some lunch, read my book, and that's it. I don't have any more plans for the day, except maybe go to the lake. Not to swim, but just to chill. And then that's it really. Do some dishes. I'll probably water the lawn. It's really hot. Pretty good vacation so far, if I'm honest. Hi there. I decided to go outside again. I'm currently listening to The Henna Artist, which was one of the top picks for Reese Witherspoon's book club. So must be good. So far so good. I think I'm going to the store to get something for a salad. And later I'll go to the water. It's so empty. No one's around. It's amazing.